This is what you call getting caught in the action. Like literally, I didn't even get a chance yet to put out the bird seed. And look at my little critter going in there. He's got his nose in there, boy. He is deep in it right now. Now I threw out a couple of peanuts for him and he was just not impressed. This bird seed is like super tasteful at the moment. He knows he's doing something wrong. See how he's like so like looking around like what's going on over here? Oh. 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 You heard me. I gotta be quiet. Oh, he's back in there. Oh, this is so good.
Oh, wait till my family finds out about this. Ooh, I got into the bird seed bag. Ooh, this is so good.
I'm a bad boy and I know it, but I don't care. Who cares about those stupid flying birds anyway?
I'm just gonna have my field day with this whole bag of bird seed. I don't care, I'm gonna eat the whole thing like today. Like, oh my god, I don't even... Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, I'm going back to my bird seed. This tastes so good. I love it. So good.
Oh, you hear me? Oh, back to the food. Oh. Oh, back to the food. So good. Oh, this bird seed's so good. Get in there. Oh my God, it's so good. So good. Oh my Lord, this is so good. This food. Oh my Lord, this food is so good. So good. In my belly. Look at my belly is growing. I'm eating so much. Let me see who's watching me. Let me see.
Yeah, I know, I'm so handsome. Look at me. Take a picture of me.
Oh, feeling the vibe of the universe. Feeling the vibe of this backyard. Any predators? Really thinking about diving back into that bag right now. Let's see, I see him. I know he's looking at me because I'm looking at him. What's he doing with that camera? Checking me out? Maybe I'll just sit here and chill and digest for a moment.
I try to speak to them in squirrel language, but I don't know if they understand what I'm saying. If you understand what I'm saying, stand up on your 2 feet. Come on, stand up. Come on. Well, his ears are up. He's listening to me.
You're getting a fat belly on you over there, boy. You're eating so much, that's all you do is eat all day long. Look at that mess underneath you. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord, you're a big fat belly squirrel. Oh, my Lord. Look at that belly. Maybe you got a bun in the oven. Maybe you're a female. Maybe. Oh, let's go eat. Oh, oh, this bird seed tastes so good. Ooh, ooh. Oh. I got a field day, no one's bothering me. I'm eating this whole bag of bird seed right now. Oh my Lord! This is so good. Wait till I tell my friends about it. They're gonna come over here and start eating this bird seed with me. I already dug the hole, so I'm already in there. I'm knee deep in this bag right now. Oh, I don't care who's watching me. It don't matter. I just don't care anymore. I just want to get my eat on right now. Just gonna get my eat on. Ooh, ooh, gotta get in there. Oh, this is so good. Oh, this is so good, this bird seed. Oh my Lord, this is good. Wait till I tell my friends about it. Oh, maybe I won't tell my friends about it. Maybe I'll just keep this whole bag of bird seed to myself. Feed my fat belly like I'm doing right now. I don't care. No one cares. No one's even around right now. It's just me and this big bag, big bag of bird seed right now. Oh my Lord. Oh, it tastes so good. Hope nobody stops me right now. I'm just having a field day, eating all I want, feeding my fat squirrel buddy. What? Hey, get out of that bag. Hey, get out, squirrel. Hey, get out of there. Wait. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, getting back in there. Oh, nobody cares anyway. No one hear me. I'm just doing my thing right now. I'm just doing my thing. I'm getting my eat on right now. Oh, my Lord, this is good food. Oh, yeah. I can sit here. Oh, get in there. Oh. Amongst the seeds, there are some other seeds. I got a bunch of different seeds in here. Oh, it's so good. Where's my darling wife? Where is she at? She be having a field day with me right now. Oh, get in there. I am feeding my fat belly right now, and I don't care. Oh, yeah. Oh my Lord, this bird seed's so good. I love it so much. I just don't care anymore. Oh, hey, oh, Dun, 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 oh, back to my food. Oh my Lord. Should I tell my friends I forget I'd sit here and feed my fat face? I just don't care anymore. I just don't care no more. I'm just getting my eat on. I don't care who's watching. I don't care who's listening. I'm just getting in there. Oh, let me get in there deeper. Oh, yeah. Oh, my Lord, this is good bird seed. Oh, who's listening? Who's watching? Oh, yeah. Dun, 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 oh my Lord, this is such good bird seed. Should I tell my friends? I don't think so. I think I'm just going to sit here and keep feeding my fat squirrel buddy right now. Because I can. I just can. Oh, this is so good. Damn, I could eat for a long time. I'm going downtown, Julie Brown, with this Wagner wild bird food. I'll tell you that much right now. I'm going downtown, Julie Brown. It's so good.